going to Animal Kingdom. We've got a reservation at Tusker House for breakfast this morning, with Donald and Mickey and whoever else is there. I'm not entirely sure actually, but I think they might be dressed in safari gear, which is quite cool. But it's extra hours, so we're going to go and do that, and then our reservation is like 9:30, so we've got some time to do some stuff and then go and eat. And then we've got some fast passes for after that, so that should be quite good. Yeah. What did I say I was going to look for in Animal Kingdom? Something I wanted. Oh, it was a key ring, that was it. I want a Jungle Book key ring for my Jungle Book backpack. Because on my Vans Toy Story backpack, I've got the little green man key ring, so I want a key ring for the Jungle Book one as well. So I have never seen any, and we've checked Disney Paris, they haven't got any, have they? And we've looked in the shops here, but we're hoping Animal Kingdom may be slightly different, so we'll see, hopefully. So I think our fast passes are Kilimanjaro Safari, I think Flight of Passage is today, I'll have to check. I've got the River Journey on one day and the Flight of Passage on the other as separate, because obviously you can't get them together. So I think the Flight of Passage one is today, and that's in the new Pandora, so we're really looking forward to seeing the new Pandora. And I think after that, I think there's one for Dinosaur, so I'm hoping we can get on Expedition Everest when we get into the park straight off, so we'll see how it goes. We finally made it. The sat-nav took us to the service entrance. We have a history of doing that, don't we, with our sat-nav? Yeah. Oh, that's quite funny. So we were actually in the right direction, just the wrong entrance.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, speed bump.
That's not a speed bump.
That's a... What is it?
That's a pipe.
A what?
Pipe.
A pipe?
Yeah, it's so sharp.
A pipe?
It's a round pipe.
Oh, okay. Oh, look, you can see that. You probably can't see them on the camera unless I zoom in, but we'll see them later. See the, what do they call them in Pandora? I'm ashamed to say I haven't seen the film. Well, no, I have seen the film. I just haven't seen the whole film. They're like floating mountains or something. I've seen bits of the film. I haven't seen... Turn the sat nav off, it's annoying. I thought I did. I've seen bits of the film, but I haven't seen the whole thing. Have you seen the whole film, Avatar?
Yeah.
Yeah? I haven't seen it. I'll have to watch it. Find a parking space. Why are these cars, these three cars in front, all bunched up together? I have no idea. Maybe they're just all driving at the same speed. There we go. In we go. Sorry? And into a queue. No, I won't be too bad. Hopefully your magic band will work this time. Problems yesterday at Magic Kingdom. You'll be fine. Are you taking us the right way? Sorry?
Don't know.
We'll see. Simon's navigating. I can't remember, this place is so big and we don't come here that often, so can't remember. We'll see. a strange place. But it has primeval well, so hopefully we can get on that before we go for our resolution. It's only a small coaster. Doesn't look like much, but it's actually quite fun. I like it. Sorry? Throws you around a little bit. It's fine. It's fun. We like it.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina de...
Reminds me a bit of the mountain. Alright, you ready? Up we go!
And whip again.
Sorry?
And whip again.
And down the dip.
Oh yeah, whip
Forwards or
forward.
backwards?
Got a back problem, don't you?
Sorry?
If you've got a back problem, don't
Oh, and whippy again. Oh, okay, this is where it gets spinny.
Yeah.
Oh, it gets spinny. So another tip, there is.
Yeah. Yeah, we got the loop as well.
There isn't a loop. Stop saying there's a loop. Oh, it's getting good. We're nearly there. That's what they say, don't ride if you got a bad back.
Yeah, okay then.
Yeah, just about, yeah. Whew, just about ready for breakfast, I think. Yeah, just about. Are you ready for breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I am as well. I'm a bit hungry now. Are you ready for some breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, buffet breakfast. Hey! Oh, thank you. Lovely. Thank you very much.
This is jungle juice.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
It is orange, guava, and passion fruit.
Thank you. Yeah.
Now Donald, Daisy, Goofy, and Mickey Mouse will be coming by.
Okay.
Drinks. I have coffee, white milk, chocolate milk, orange juice, apple juice, soda, tea.
Okay. Coffee.
Coffee?
Please.
Yeah, coffee.
Two
Yeah.
coffees?
Thank you.
Okay, and right now you have time to go get
Oh,
breakfast.
brilliant. That's lovely. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Let's go and get breakfast.
Yeah.
Cheers. That's nice. Reminds me of something back home. I'm going to start with some like pastries and then go on to like something else. What are those? Mini donuts? Just one, and I'll have one of those as well. Have one of these. Very nice.
Love these chocolate things.
Okay. And ooh, that's that nice like muffin pastry cake stuff. Those. I think that's me for a moment, I think, maybe. It's very nice. Mini donut. Pan au chocolat. I don't know, what is it? What is it? like probably the same recipe, those sort of blueberry muffins that we had at VR Guest. Really light and yeah, but in cake, like loaf cake. Yeah, so that was really nice. Yeah. Just waiting for coffee though.
I had some cooked breakfast, but I've eaten it, so you can't see it. But it was Mickey waffles, bacon, and scrambled eggs. And I got some more pastries. And you haven't had any cooked breakfast. You just had really healthy food like fruit and yogurt and bits and bobs. You like waffles though? Mickey waffles with maple syrup. And coffee. So strong coffee.
Same face as what on Buzz Lightyear.
Sorry?
Yeah, same face as Buzz Lightyear.
What same face? That's my face of concentration.
Hang on, do that again.
No.
Yeah. Do it again.
Just put something in
again.
your mouth.
Do it
Here,
again.
eat some cake.
Do it again.
I'm not doing
Do
it
it
again.
again. Do it again. You can edit all this out anyway.
Sorry?
You can edit all this anyway, so I don't know why you're worried.
I'm going to make you edit everything.
That's right, I'll leave this in there then.
Sorry?
I'll leave this in then.
Wait,
This is a
Goofy's on his way.
Ziggy.
Goofy's on Mickey's. It's Mickey that's, because he's like the main man, everybody wants Mickey, don't they? It's Mickey that's taking the time. Goofy is nearly not too far away.
Did you enjoy your breakfast? It was nice, wasn't it? We got to meet Mickey and Paul and Daisy and Goofy.
Yeah.
Really, really good. I really enjoyed it and the food was nice. But I've eaten too much again. Not good. This way. Yeah, so I've eaten too much. So never mind. Now we're going to go to the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. Go like that. Go like that.
Yeah.
And you'll look like a monkey. You just got to lean over slightly and put your face forward. You look like that monkey
Slow and steady, Andrew, slow and steady.
Got the prairie dog? Wow, man.
Look at that one.
I know.
Look at him digging a little hole. Kevin, there were meerkats.
He's got rings.
Nile crocodile. Nile crocodile are the largest African crocodile. They grow to be up to 20 feet in length. They average about 500 pounds. They will open their mouths to cool down. They will release their body heat through their mouths. And if a crocodile holds perfectly still under the water, they can hold their breath up to 2 hours.
On the rickety bridge.
I didn't do it.
No.
Youngest member of this herd right there. Precious, right? Got that little noodly trunk, just learning to use it and flick that mud up there. There we go. Just like Mama does.
So sweet. Little
She was
Bobby
born
elephant.
just before Christmas of last year.
Where are we going?
We're now entering Pandora.
Part of the planet.
I might get wet. I may get wet. Oh, there we go. Where did it then? It needs to be a little higher. A tall person like you. We have can't film on this ride, and bags I think have to be stowed like out of the way. Okay, we're going in. Flight of Passage. We are there. Look, that's us. 1 and 2.
Please make sure you can all see the screen.
You ready? Okay, Flight of Passage is amazing. I would wait 2 hours. It currently is a 2-hour queue. I would wait 2 hours for that. Get a fast pass. But oh my goodness, that was just amazing. Like the screens, that bit with that like whale thing came out of the water right in front of you, and then you went through the waves. Oh my goodness, really, really, really good. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good.
What was your favourite bit?
Oh, I just like the rides through there.
You were sat there like this. You were sat there like this.
Oh, yeah, it was only right.
I'm like this ripping onto the handrails for dear life. But
You know it's going to be safe.
yeah, it's just like you, it's like a bike thing, like a motorbike thing. You sit on it, like puts a restraint on your back and your legs, and then you do dip up and down, don't you? So it's oh my god, it's amazing. Let's do it again. Oh wow. Okay, this is a first for us because we've never done a CQ Planet watching the entire time we've been here, have we? So we're going to take a little train trip. An entire time we've been here? I mean, no, I mean not this trip, I mean other trips. Yeah, ever. We've never, when we've come down in Coombs, we've never done this, so hopefully there'll be some nice air-conditioned exhibits or something. Nice.
Good job, guys.
Hi, thank you. Get on a train. Sway, I think. Looks good. Oop, there we go. That way.
Please keep an eye on your children and remember there's no smoking on our train for our train station. Thank you.
There we go. Train now. Oh yeah, look. Train driver, train driver, train driver. Neat. Is it hot there?
Yeah.
Can you fan me as well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, I can't feel it.
Come
Can't feel
closer.
it.
You're leaning away.
I can't feel it. There we go. There we go. See what they got. Some exhibitions maybe. Might be nice and cool in here.
I expect so.
Like I said before, it's always really hot in this car. It's like, so they do all the operations.
Sliding scanner. Yeah, like a. Yeah, but you see the problem is you're only allowed to put lines.
So today at 11 there was Doug and
I think I actually got that before you even said it.
Well, you should have said it then, shouldn't you?
Right. Eat the garbage, right? Super informal. Dispose that. Dispose.
It's in the booth. Huh? Go on, in you go. In the booth. In the booth. In the booth. Oh, okay. Oh, so you get to listen. Put on your headphones.
Okay.
Did I shut the door? No, the door's not shut. Sorry, that was my fault. I didn't shut the door properly. Oh! Those little bad leggings. Lounging around. Little sweepers. Hello. We see lots of sweepers, don't we, where we live? And we see some goats as well. Hello. Very much, hello. Little piggies. Piggies, piggies, piggies. Oh look, they've got like a little climbing frame. Oh look, little black sheep. Hey, little black sheepies. Oh, hello. Smiling at you. Hello. Off we go, back on the train. Thank you. Did you enjoy Rafiki's Planet Ride? It's quite good, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. I would say definitely come over and see it. It's a nice little train ride, and it was monkeys, and the guy did a parrot show. That was nice. Goats and pigs, and some little sheep and a little black sheep, which is good. But like we were saying, we see them at home anyway. But it's nice to see them up close. Yeah, so it was really nice. And then indoors we got a little animal hospital and lots of exhibitions and stuff.
Once again, please remain seated until we get to the other station. Keeping your hands, arms, legs, feet, cell phones, cameras, children, everything you want to keep inside the train.
Yay! Let's go!
Parents?
Okay, so we're heading out now, I think, aren't we? We're going to go back. It's like 4 o'clock, so we're going to go back and get some snacks and some drinks. Probably stop by Royale, or is it Royale at the moment. Get some coffee or something, and maybe, I don't know, maybe they do ice cream. Yeah. I might fancy an ice cream. There is like a food truck thing there, so they might have something in there, mightn't they? So we're going to go and have a look now, and then later we've got reservation at the Rainforest Cafe in Coral Springs, and hope you do some serious shopping.
Yep.